friends, I'm so happy to share my experience with apple cider vinegar for weight loss. I saw many good reviews about apple cider vinegar for weight loss, so I decided to give it a trial. I filled this cup with hot water. Then I added 1 spoon of apple cider vinegar inside this hot water. Then I grinded fresh ginger and fresh turmeric, added inside this hot water. I squeezed this lemon, I got the juice out, added inside the hot water. Then I drank it. I had headache and felt sick. I filled this cup with hot water, then added 1 spoon of this apple cider vinegar here. I didn't add any other thing. I drank it and I still had headache and felt sick. I don't know the reason, but apple cider vinegar works very well when I add it in my salad. It works so well. So I don't know why it didn't work with hot water, but I didn't try it with cold water. I think I have to try it with cold water to see. But it does not mean that apple cider vinegar is not good. Apple cider vinegar is so good, and I love drinking it. Please let me know, what do you think about it? Why did it not work with hot water? And why did it work very well with salad? Thank you very much, and I will see you next time in my next video. Bye.